Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OAuth for Google Sign-in in mobile apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register your mobile app with Google Sign-in using OAuth, start by creating a project in the Google Developer Console. Visit the Google Developer Console at console.developers.google.com. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Click on the Create Project button. Enter a name for your project and click Create. Once the project is created, navigate to the OAuth consent screen on the left sidebar. Select External as the user type if your app will be used by other users outside your development team. Fill in the required information on the consent screen, including the app name, user support email, and developer contact information. Next, click on Save and Continue. Now, go to the Credentials section in the left sidebar. Click on the Create Credentials button and select OAuth Client ID. Select the application type based on your mobile platform, either Android or iOS. For Android, you'll need to enter your package name and the SHA-1 certificate fingerprint. For iOS, provide the app's bundle ID. Complete the setup by clicking Create. Once the OAuth Client ID is created, note down your client ID and client secret. Next, you'll need to enable the Google Sign-in API. Go to the Library section on the left sidebar. Search for Google Sign-in API and click on it. Click on the Enable button to activate the API for your project. Now you can integrate Google Sign-in into your mobile app. Follow the platform-specific instructions provided in the Google Sign-in documentation. Download the necessary libraries for your platform and add them to your project. Configure your app to use the client ID you obtained earlier. Finally, test the Google Sign-in functionality to ensure everything is working correctly. You are now ready to offer Google Sign-in options in your mobile app using OAuth. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.